So you asked, how is an AI-driven solution different from traditional OCR? So traditional OCR is purely extracting text from an image, in this case, a scanned document. So the text, if we get a little bit technical into what OCR does for a developer, the text will be extracted word by word, and it's pieced together line by line. So at the output of these traditional OCR systems, you'll see some line by line text from a page. It'll just be like line 1, line 2, line 3, and so on. And then you'll also have the location and coordinates for the words on the page. So that might have gotten a bit more technical, but the main thing is that document capture solutions using this traditional OCR will have limited use, because now you need to know where in the page am I looking for this information in order to use the OCR output. So they will work for specific templates where you've already identified the coordinates of the key elements on that page. Now you have to maintain a library of templates, the location of the information on the page for each of these templates. And the solutions wouldn't be able to handle any documents that they don't have in this library. And so they're not really scalable. And then there's also OCR solutions that are more advanced. These will typically be more costly OCR solutions, and they'll get you key value pairs as part of the OCR output. So now you just don't get the text and the location. They'll say, this is the key, this is the value. And by that, I mean, this is the field name, and this is the value of the field. So the page says patient name, colon, and then you have a patient name, then it'll return that information. But now we're dependent on these field names being on the page. So a lot of the documents that are received by healthcare practices, they don't have these field names. So now we're again being limited. So maybe some more capabilities, but still we're not able to extract everything that we need. Now the AI-driven document capture will address these limitations because it can learn the variations in structure from the different documents. Yeah, they can use OCR as one of the components to get this text into machine readable form. But we can also train or fine-tune machine learning models using the text in the pages or the images themselves. So we can leverage documents that have been worked on by a human and teach the models how the different types of documents can look, what is the content of these documents, and the many ways this key information can be presented. Now, I think more recently, people are talking a lot about Gen AI. AI-driven solutions can also leverage some of the knowledge in these foundational generative AI models because they're trained on so much data. When we see a completely new template, then we can rely on those also to extract some information from this general knowledge that they have. So overall, there's a lot of advantages on using AI-driven solutions over OCR.